Today we have a very special guest. A few weeks ago, I watched Dave lead a session on exercise and wellness for senior citizens, and I was so amazed and so impressed. And Dave's going to walk us through a series of exercises for senior citizens. We all know there's many great benefits for exercise for all people, especially for the elderly. Dave, can you just give a brief introduction of yourself and your background?
Sure. Hello, everyone. I am Dave Ross, and I've been involved with doing movement studies, martial arts, and yoga, for over 40 years. I've been very lucky and fortunate to be able to work with seniors over the last 5 years, teaching yoga, tai chi, and dancercise, as well as doing music therapy. I have a music degree, which brings me into the music therapy field, where I started to learn about working with seniors and also found my passion there as a form of work that really has an amazing, beautiful, reciprocative energy. So I really love what I do. And so this is why I am here doing things that really help not only seniors, but everyone. Hopefully.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And I just want to say, as someone who went through some of your exercises, more than just watching it, I don't care what age you are, try doing it, and you're going to feel it. You're going to feel how effective and good this is.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dave Ross from Gleeful Wellness, and today I'd like to talk about opening up the lower back. So I have a very simple, low-impact exercise for opening up the lower back and creating a gentle traction in the spine that is doable for people of all ages. So let's get started. So what do? We first bring our hands forward and let the fingers move. So this just enhances circulation all the way to the fingertips. Good. Fantastic. And now what I want to do is I want to grab either elbow. So I'm going to bend my arms so that I can get a grip on either elbow. Very good. Then gently I'm going to lean forward till my elbows connect onto my knees. There you go. And now I'm on my knees with my elbows. I'm going to bring my chin toward my chest. Breathe now. Nice deep breaths. So I just want to say that our involuntary breath is a very small amount, 3 to 5% of our lung capacity. So we're using our yoga breathing. So exaggerated inhale, exaggerated exhale for the breathing process. Okay, now I'm going to put my head back down so the chin goes to the chest as I do the breathing process. Good. So I've done 3 breaths with my chin tucked toward my chest. Now I slowly lift my elbows from my legs. My chin stays down. Good. Then my head comes up, the very last thing to come up. Good. And now we've opened our spine back up. Fantastic, everyone. Now we're going to move our fingers. We're going to open the arms. Good. And then I'm going to bring my arms down onto my legs. And gently I move my shoulders. Good. So this is the final step in moving that blood flow, that wonderful circulation that you just created all around your back, all around the upper spine. Very good. So that is one cycle of what I call back bend / gentle traction of the spine. I always recommend to do 2 of these cycles whenever you do this exercise. I hope that you find a new, amazing mobility and lack of discomfort in your lower back. As we say in yoga, namaste.
Dave, I just want to thank you so much for leading us through these exercises. I'm so glad that you're going to come back and lead us in many more sessions. I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please press subscribe to see future weekly videos. Hope to see you in the next one.